In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bitrate in CapCut PC. If you want to make your exported video look cleaner and sharper, or you need to reduce the file size before uploading or sharing it. Adjusting the bitrate is one of the easiest settings to work with. In CapCut on PC, this can be done very quickly once your edit is finished, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to use it. Start by making sure your project is fully edited and organized on the timeline. It's best to do this only when you're completely done trimming, arranging, and finalizing your clips, because bitrate is part of the export process rather than the editing process itself. Once everything is ready, move your cursor to the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the blue Export button. This opens the main export settings panel, where you control how your final video will be saved. In the export window that appears in the center of your screen, look through the list of video export settings. You want to find the row labeled Bitrate. This is the setting that controls how much data is used to encode the video, which directly affects both visual quality and file size. Click inside the bitrate field. In many cases, it may already be set to something like CBR or recommended. When you click it, a drop-down menu will open so you can view the available bitrate options. From that drop-down list, choose Customized. As soon as you select it, CapCut will give you more direct control by opening a number field and a slider next to the bitrate setting. This is where you can enter the exact data rate you want to use. For example, if you're exporting detailed screen recordings or footage with a lot of visual information, you can type in a higher value such as 1000 to preserve more clarity. If you'd rather let the program make the decision for you while still aiming for stronger quality, you can choose the higher option instead. As you adjust the bitrate, keep an eye on the bottom of the export window. CapCut updates the estimated final file size automatically, which is very helpful if you're trying to balance quality with storage space or upload limits. Once you're happy with the setting, click the blue Export button at the bottom of the window. CapCut will begin rendering your video using the bitrate you selected, and your final file will be saved with your updated export quality. That's it. You've successfully changed the bitrate in CapCut on PC.